Good morning, students. I hope you will be fine. In our previous video, we discussed about the spheres of natural environment. Here, in this video, we will talk about ecosystem and the balance between natural and human-made environment. Ecosystem is the relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and their surroundings. For example, ocean, forest and deserts. इकोसिस्टम एक नेचुरल यूनिट है जिसमें एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया के सभी जीव यानी प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स और माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म शामिल हैं. All the animals, birds and organism and interdependent on each other within this area like a grassland and forest. Types of ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem, example forest, deserts, mountains, etc. 2. Aquatic ecosystem, example river, ponds, oceans, etc. Human environment versus natural environment. Human being interacts with environment and modifies it according to their need. Earlier life of human being was so simple. He was totally dependent on nature. For example, early man अपनी सारी जरूरतों को प्रकृति से पूरा करते थे. For example, hunting of animals and to collect plant produces. धीरे धीरे अर्ली ह्यूमन ने एग्रीकल्चर सीखा और खुद से अपनी फूड को प्रोड्यूस करने लगे और इसी के लिए उन्होंने फॉरेस्ट की कटाई की और खेती करना आरंभ किया. व्हील के इन्वेंशन ने तो उनकी लाइफ में एक क्रांति सी ला दी. Later on, he learned the barter system of marketing to fulfill their needs. बार्टर सिस्टम में हम किसी वस्तु को पैसा देकर खरीदने के बजाय दूसरे वस्तु से बदलते हैं और इस तरह से लोगों की जरूरतें पूरी हो जाती हैं. The man who was earlier a needy man, day by day he became a greedy man. यानी कि पहले तो इंसान अपने एनवायरनमेंट का यूज अपनी जरूरतों को पूरा करने के लिए करता था पर अब अपनी लालच को पूरा करने के लिए करता है. Human being started many factories and industries. He also invented many means of transports. He brought a revolution in the field of information and technology. इंसान ने कंप्यूटर से लेके मोबाइल तक का आविष्कार किया जिससे कि हमारी लाइफ और भी आरामदेह होती चली गई. Now, human being leads a luxurious life, but through these activities, human has polluted our environment. Today, the air we breathe is polluted. Water that we use is polluted. Even the soil also has been polluted. Human has disturbed the balance between natural environment and human-made environment. इंसान ने प्रकृति और इंसानी एनवायरनमेंट के बीच बैलेंस को बिगाड़ दिया है जिसके परिणाम स्वरूप फ्लड, ड्रॉट, सुनामी, अर्थक्वेक जैसे प्रॉब्लम सामने आ रहे हैं. सो वी ऑल हैव टू बी अवेयर अबाउट थ्रेट्स टू आवर एनवायरनमेंट. सेव एनवायरनमेंट, सेव अर्थ. लेट्स सी व्हाट यू हैव ग्रैब. योर क्वेश्चंस आर. क्वेश्चन 1. Ecosystem is the relationship between the living organism as well as the relation between organism and their number A, surrounding, number B, human, number C, both A and B, and number D, none of the above. And your answer is option A, that is surrounding. Question number 2. Dash is an example of ecosystem. Option A, table. Option B, forest. Option C, air. And option D, building. And the correct answer is option B, forest. Question number 3. Balance between human-made environment and dash environment is necessary. And your options are A, natural, B, computer, C, both A and B, And the last option is none of the above. And your answer is option A, that is natural. Question number 4. Dash imbalance the environment. Option A, cutting of trees. Option B, hunting animals. Option C, both of the above. And option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option C, both of the above. Very good, students. I hope you have given the correct answers. Now I am going to give you a task, and that is your homework. I am giving you 2 questions and you have to answer them. Question 1. Mention 3 items related to information technology. And question 2. Why should we plant trees? Mention 2 benefits. So my dear students, in our next video, we will talk about tracing changes through 1,000 years. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.